Many students are expressing that they don't have communication skills, they can't speak well. So this is a common problem many people are expressing through the mail or through my YouTube comments and all these things. Just don't worry about all such kind of things. Speaking is very easy. Speak without fear. This is what I wanted to speak today. And many people are complaining that madam, I have very good knowledge but I can't express. That's the reason I am unable to get the job, and if I am getting the job also there is no progress. I am not happy with my performance, I am not happy with my increments and all these things. Don't worry, speaking is quite easy. First, leave the fear. To whom you are speaking, just have an understanding. According to that, prepare well and start speaking. You will not have any kind of fear. As I am talking to you, I know what I have to speak. I prepared well and I am coming and speaking to you. That's it. In the same way you can speak to anyone. So how to overcome the fear of this speaking? Before going to that, I'll give you a small example. Once Swami Vivekananda was traveling in Banaras streets, and suddenly he found a lot of monkeys, and very big monkeys. They are attacking and they are making a lot of nonsense and terrifying Swami Vivekananda. He started running and monkeys are chasing him. When monkeys are chasing, he started running and he was getting a lot of this thing, and all of a sudden he heard a voice, big voice, stop running, chase it. Then suddenly Swami Vivekananda took a stone and started chasing the monkeys. Monkeys now started running. So this is what happening everywhere. When you have a fear, the fear will chase you. You start chasing the fear, nothing will happen. In the same way, just leave the fear. What you wanted to say, how you wanted to speak, you can speak very well. Today I'll give you only 3 tips, 3 C's. The first C is content. You should have a content of what you are speaking. So what is the subject you are speaking? Are you speaking to one person? Are you speaking to many people? Are you speaking in public? This, have a glance, have an understanding, and according to that, prepare. If you are, and how much time you have to speak, this is also very important. To whom you are speaking, how much time you wanted to speak. Casual talk, if you are having a fear, write it. Each and every sentence write and practice it. Practice it. Then you will overcome this fear. Have the content of the subject. Subject, how do you get the subject knowledge? You can read lot of books, newspaper, and casual talks also you can observe from the people. You can go to Google Guru and you can search newspapers. Based on what you are going to speak, just have the subject knowledge. Stuff, collect the stuff from many areas and prepare very well this subject. This is the first point, content. Then second point is communication skills. Communicate well with the people. Madam, I have a problem, I don't have communication. Nothing is like that. You can communicate well. How you wanted to communicate, I'll tell you few tips. Already I have uploaded a lot of videos in my channel. You can just check it out. Today I wanted to say, if you want to communicate well, the first thing is that practice intrapersonal communication. What is this intra? Intra means inside of the mind. Practice inside of the mind. Talk inside of the mind. Then you will overcome it. What you wanted to speak, frame some sentences, write some sentences, practice it inside, rehearsal inside. Then after that, you can just sit in front of the mirror and practice it. And sit in front of others and practice it. This is intrapersonal communication. Once if you practice inside of your mind, you'll have definitely confidence. Then you can go for interpersonal communication. Interpersonal communication means with somebody. Person to person, 2 or more than 2 people, when you are expressing, when you wanted to talk to them, then this is interpersonal communication. Interpersonal communication. Then third one is group communication. Once if you overcome this interpersonal communication also, you can just go for the group communication. Group of people, talk to people. If you are in college, just have a group discussion with your friends. If you are in work environment, take a topic and talk to your friends, talk to your colleagues. Have a discussion, have a debate. That's group communication. Once if you overcome, if you are perfect, if you are thorough, if you are confident in group communication, then go for public communication. You can speak in front of anyone if you overcome this fear. The only thing is you should have the confidence and subject and communication skills. For improving the communication skills, one more thing let me tell you. First start beginning with the small sentences. Simple sentences, use simple words. Then once if you get the confidence, once if you overcome it, then go for the big sentences, or otherwise you can use jargon words, use vocabulary, use good sentences, all these things you can do it. Initially, start with simple. Believe that whatever you are speaking, it is correct. In that way, and never hesitate that people are commenting, people are laughing, I may speak well, I may not speak well, this kind of things. Never have such kind of hesitation. Just speak, start speaking. This is communication skills. And when you speak also, just take care of the body language. Regarding body language also, you can find it in my channel. A lot of tips are there. Especially take care of your voice when you are speaking. Voice should be audible, crystal clear, and simple language you can use it. Modulate your voice according to the situation. And body language, take care of the gestures, eye contact and gestures, postures, all these things, smile and appearance. These are the main important things you can take care. This is the second point of communication skills. And the third point is confidence. You are having a very good content and communication, but no confidence, no use at all. You cannot come up, you cannot speak well, you cannot get success. Where this confidence is available? Is it available in the market? No. You may ask, ma'am, I want to speak with a lot of confidence. Where it is available? It is available inside of you only. Just extract it, take it out, identify yourself, believe yourself. Did you see this Devika Bhatnagar somewhere? No. Did you see yourself somewhere? No. You are unique piece. You are masterpiece. So that is why believe yourself. Whatever I speak, people will accept me. So that confidence we have to get it from inside. So with this confidence, just go ahead, speak well, practice well. And you may ask, madam, how can I speak with a lot of confidence? I'll tell you only one tip, one formula, one funda that I'll tell you. That one word is practice. Practice, practice, practice. That practice will give you definitely success, no doubt at all. So how to practice? First, as I said, intrapersonal communications. First, practice inside of your mind. Once if you get it clear, then practice in front of others. And another thing is practice in front of mirror. This is a wonderful technique. Practice in front of mirror. I do it. I practice in front of the mirror. Whenever I have TV program, any kind of programs, if I want to gain the confidence, I practice in front of the mirror. When you sit in front of the mirror, when you start speaking, you look at yourself. You look at your face expressions, you look at your eyes, and you hear your voice. And when you have eye contact with yourself in the mirror, your eyes are so powerful, you can face anybody. You can maintain eye contact with anyone. You can face any kind of people. So that is why have a mirror practice first. After the mirror practice, if you want, you can practice with your friends also. Or otherwise, you can practice by recording your voice. Nowadays smartphones are there. Use it in a smart way. So record your voice or record your video also. Check yourself, how you are speaking. If any change, if there is any improvement, just pat yourself. Say it good, there is an improvement. I want it to improve. In that way, you can just practice it yourself. So this practice, 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 it will give you definitely a very good result. So 3 principles I said. One is content, communication, and then confidence. If these 3 are there, you are wonderful. Let me share my experience, how I have started speaking in front of public. Once upon a time, there was an alumni meet in my college. All my friends, they were speaking on the dais. I couldn't. And I was feeling like speaking. I have some points, I have some views, I wanted to express, but I was scaring. Then I thought what to do. One of my teacher, he is a guru and he is my mentor. Dr. Y.K.M. Naidu, he is the principal of Pragati Mahavidyalaya. He said, Devika, come on, go and speak. I feel like going, but I couldn't go. It was like pulling and pushing inside of the mind. At last, that pulling has won. I couldn't go. Then after that, sir scolded me very seriously, furiously. Devika, can't you speak even few sentences? Then I took the words very seriously. And I took it as a challenging. Then I started practicing how to overcome, how to practice. In those days, videos are not there, YouTube is not there, nobody can guide us. I started speaking, I started guiding. In that way, I started speaking in front of the people. So that credit goes to my sir, Dr. Y.K. Naidu sir. There are many things are available in the society. If you want to improve yourself, books are there. You can read from the books. You can implement the techniques. And nowadays, Google Guru is there. YouTube and what not available. Whatever may be available, Google Guru or whatever it may be, nobody can replace your Guru. Take one ideal Guru, teacher, and just follow him, follow her, whatever they say. They are your well-wishers. If you show your enthusiasm, if you give your respect, definitely the teacher wanted to see your progress a lot. So that is why always respect your teacher, follow them, and a good student, an interested student will extract the maximum from the teacher. Teacher will come with thorough preparation. So this is what you have to learn. Learn from many people, imitate somebody, and at last you have to come to your own style. Never imitate lifelong all the people. So come to your own style, practice well, nothing will happen. Practice makes man perfect. It is always perfect. So practice well. Dear friends, thank you very much for watching this video. I want a good result. Thank you very much for your good feedback also. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. You will be finding more videos related to the career. Thank you. Wish you all good luck. Take care.